Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm gonna make something I saw somebody do online. Okay, so right here, I have a cucumber. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with a potato peeler, I'm gonna peel it, but I'm gonna leave just a little bit of the green because it kind of gives a nice kind of a color. Okay, so I'm gonna do the whole thing. So of course I washed it really well so the outside was really clean. Okay, I have these two sticks. A friend of mine, Edward, sent them to me. Okay, so I'm putting them on both sides like this, and I'm gonna start cutting. Okay, so the way this works, you're supposed to slice it like this, one way. Kind of the same size slices. It's not going all the way through. Carefully with my fingers. Okay, so this is just across. Just like this, okay? Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. And we're going to go at an angle. Same thing, at an angle. Okay, so now, check this out. It's an accordion. Look at that. Is that cool? Getting you in closer. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Is this neat? So you can kind of dress up one of your, I don't know, your displays or something. This is neat. Okay, so it's just like an accordion. If you wanted to put a couple of little eyes right here and put it on your table, that would be kind of cool. Okay, let's make a little sauce for this. You can sprinkle on it. So I'm only going to make a little bit. This is a tablespoon of regular sugar. This is apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add that. Okay, so this is dill. And if you don't like dill, you can just kind of do it your own way. This is coriander. These are all quarter teaspoons. I'm adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And that should be a nice tasty little sauce to pour over my little cucumber accordion centipede. Very cool. Okay, so I tasted like this little dressing. It's very good. It's very sweet. It's tangy because of the vinegar. It's very good. Okay, so this poured on that, really tasty. Okay, so here's my accordion centipede cucumber and my homemade little sauce for it. Just something fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.